So that is a wrap for the Mantic Dragon. It's fully finished now. I am super wrapped with how it turned out. It was meant to be red and it ended up being pink. Scales were meant to be dark red and they ended up being a slight orange color. Otherwise, I am super wrapped. Very, very wrapped. Everything turned out awesome. Some of the things that I didn't think were going to work and then ended up working, like the chest. The chest there, I am super wrapped with how that's turned out. The wings, the horns on the head, they ended up turning out really well. And the scales on the back, I don't know if you can really see if it's making it out alright, but they look super red in the video, but they're actually like an orange to red transition on them, which looks really good. Yeah, the wings turned out super awesome. I'm just stoked all around. Super cool. Huzzah!